10 health benefits of hemp seeds. Today, we have an incredible topic that'll blow your mind and revolutionize your snack game. We're diving deep into the world of hemp seeds and uncovering their 10 extraordinary health benefits. So grab a pen, buckle up, and let's embark on this fun-filled health journey together. 1. Amino acid powerhouse. Did you know that hemp seeds are not only a great source of protein, but they actually provide all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs? These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and they play a crucial role in repairing and building muscles, supporting cell growth, and maintaining overall vitality. They offer a complete protein profile, which is rare among plant sources. And the best part, incorporating hemp seeds into your meals is incredibly easy. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt or oatmeal, or even blend them into smoothies. The options are endless, and the nutritional benefits are outstanding. 2. Healthy fats to the rescue. We often hear about the importance of consuming healthy fats, and hemp seeds are a fantastic source of these beneficial fats. Specifically, hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for our body's optimal functioning. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and arthritis. They also play a crucial role in supporting brain health and cognitive function. On the other hand, omega-6 fatty acids contribute to the production of hormones that regulate various bodily processes, including inflammation. Whether you sprinkle them on a salad or blend them into a smoothie, hemp seeds are a versatile and delicious way to boost your intake of these beneficial fats. 3. Magnificent minerals galore. When it comes to minerals, hemp seeds are like a treasure trove of nutritional goodness. They contain an impressive array of essential minerals that are vital for our overall well-being. One of the standout minerals found in hemp seeds is magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies. It helps support a healthy immune system, regulates blood pressure, and promotes optimal muscle and nerve function. Additionally, hemp seeds are a good source of iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body and preventing iron deficiency anemia. Phosphorus is another mineral abundant in hemp seeds. It works in tandem with calcium to keep our bones and teeth strong and healthy. Along with magnesium and iron, hemp seeds also provide zinc, which supports immune function and aids in wound healing. 4. Digestive Dynamo. When it comes to digestive health, hemp seeds truly shine. These tiny seeds are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them a valuable addition to support a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber found in hemp seeds forms a substance in the digestive tract. This helps slow down digestion, which can promote a feeling of fullness and aid in weight management. Additionally, soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which in turn promotes a healthy balance of gut flora. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. By including hemp seeds in your diet, you can help keep your digestive system running smoothly and maintain optimal gut health. 5. Magnificent metabolism booster. Are you looking to give your metabolism a natural boost? Look no further than hemp seeds. These tiny powerhouses contain an amino acid called arginine, which has been shown to have metabolism-boosting properties. Arginine plays a vital role in various metabolic processes, including the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax and widen blood vessels, promoting healthy circulation. By supporting improved blood flow, arginine may help enhance metabolism and increase the efficiency of calorie burning. 6. Glowing skin secret. Who doesn't want radiant, healthy-looking skin? Hemp seeds can be your secret weapon in achieving that coveted glow. They are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support skin health. The antioxidants found in hemp seeds help protect your skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and damage to the skin cells. By reducing the impact of free radicals, hemp seeds can help promote a youthful and vibrant complexion. Additionally, hemp seeds are rich in vitamins like vitamin E, which is known for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Vitamin E helps retain moisture in the skin, improves skin elasticity, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The mineral content of hemp seeds, such as zinc and magnesium, also contributes to healthy skin. Zinc supports collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Meanwhile, magnesium plays a role in promoting a calm and balanced complexion. 7. Mood-boosting magic. When it comes to our mental well-being, hemp seeds can work their magic and lift our spirits. These incredible seeds are a fantastic source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining balanced brain chemistry. Magnesium acts as a natural relaxant and helps regulate neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter. Adequate levels of serotonin are associated with improved mood and a sense of well-being. By incorporating magnesium-rich hemp seeds into your diet, you can support optimal brain function and promote a positive mood. So, the next time you are feeling a little down, reach for a handful of hemp seeds and let their mood-boosting properties work their wonders. 8. Immune system warrior. We all want a robust and resilient immune system, and hemp seeds can be your secret weapon in achieving just that. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamins E and B, zinc, and iron, these tiny seeds work together to support and strengthen your body's defense mechanisms. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports the immune system's overall function. B vitamins, such as vitamin B6 and folate, play a crucial role in immune system modulation and the production of immune cells. Zinc is known for its immune-boosting properties and aids in wound healing, while iron is essential for proper immune cell function. 9. Bone health protector. Strong and healthy bones are the foundation of an active and vibrant life. Hemp seeds can play a crucial role in supporting your bone health. They are an excellent source of minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Phosphorus, the second most abundant mineral in the body, works in partnership with calcium to build and maintain bone density. Magnesium, on the other hand, supports the absorption and metabolism of calcium, ensuring it reaches your bones where it's needed most. Additionally, manganese plays a role in bone formation and helps maintain the structural integrity of the skeletal system. 10. Energy-boosting dynamo. When it comes to sustaining energy levels throughout the day, hemp seeds are an absolute powerhouse. Packed with a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, these tiny seeds provide a sustained release of energy, keeping you fueled and ready to conquer your day. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in energy production. Hemp seeds are an excellent source of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins and are involved in various metabolic processes, including the conversion of food into energy. By including hemp seeds in your meals or snacks, you're providing your body with the fuel it needs to power through your activities. And there you have it, 10 incredible health benefits of hemp seeds that are sure to transform your well-being. From being a complete protein source to promoting digestive health, boosting metabolism, and even enhancing your mood, hemp seeds are truly a superfood in every sense of the word. So, whether you're a health-conscious individual, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to enhance your overall wellness, hemp seeds are a fantastic addition to your pantry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating topics like this. And as always, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body with the wonders of nature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.